Good morning. This is Vladi and start your day with positive mind. Today we're talking about another of 7 positive ideas and emotions, and we're talking about romance. Now, romance is a beautiful flow of a positive nature. It's a very, very positive emotion. And excuse my throat, I'm losing my voice. But it's all about giving. It is such a positive emotion, just so beautiful. And it's directing positive energy in a harmony with the law of rhythm towards an idea or towards a situation or towards a person. Now, do you remember when we were talking about the laws, the universal laws? One of them was law of rhythm. And law of rhythm stated where the day followed the night. You've got the rhythm, which you feel good and bad, and you go high and low. You cannot, after the tide goes in and out, the night follows after the day. You cannot change that. And even if you're in a challenging situation, remember you're always working towards your goal, forward and upward. And doesn't matter how challenging the situation is, remember one thing: the good is yet to be. Always. The good is yet to be. And now this romance is a fun and it's an amazing positive emotion. And if you understand how to originate it, how to incorporate it and make it part of your life, and how to originate it as well. Now, if you, any man watching this, ask a female, your special someone, what does romance mean to you? And mostly female would say it's something that makes her feel really good, something that is nice and easy going with the flow. And when you females, when we ask male, what does romance mean to you? Well, most of the times we get sex, but it's not true. So it's something really beautiful and it's a flowing positive energy and great idea. So you can romance a situation, you can romance a person, you can romance your idea, you can romance a circumstance, something beautiful you create, and you're just sending out this absolutely beautiful energy, and it's always very, very positive. Romance is a beautifully positive emotion. You can send thoughts to person and romance them. So if you're really thinking, which we're using one of the higher mental faculties, intuition, and does it sometimes happen to you that you're thinking of someone but really continually thinking throughout the day, and the person emails you or sends you a text, but you have to give them a really strong thoughts and emotions, so you send them and they can pick up on the frequency and excuse me, and so send people, romance them with your thoughts, and just remember, this is such an amazing energy that flows out, and you can send out so much love because it is in a flow of beautiful nature. And I will see you tomorrow. I think we have one more. And have a beautiful weekend. Actually, so I won't see you tomorrow. I will see you on Monday. This is Vladimira. Have a great weekend. Bye.